For my top 3, this is the Swiftness inspired by Katy Perry Meow. This scent, guys, is very sweet for me. Okay, so the top notes are pear, tangerine, gardenia, and jasmine. If you love sweet and fruity aroma, this is for you. This is a sweet and fruity scent. It has that freesia and peony blend with a bright fruity top. Ang cute din ng mga small bottle talaga. Yeah, very fruity and very sweet perfume. Actually guys, I have a story with this perfume. So makaya ko ng angkas one time. And pagdating pa lang ni Kuya, sabi ko, Kuya, I know that scent. Nakalimutan ko kasi yung name nito. So tinanong ko, Kuya, anong perfume mo? Sabi niya, ay ma'am, ito po yung kay Katy Perry. So, ayun, naalala ko na yung perfume na yun.